Marcus Aurelius started every day thinking, I may lose everything today. I may die today. He practiced something called negative visualization. And to be clear, it's a lot different than vague, what if it crashes type worrying. Try it with me. Ask yourself, if Bitcoin went to zero tomorrow, could you rebuild? Go on. If just the thought of that destroys you, you're over leveraged. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to sell all your Bitcoin. Just lighten up a little bit. Now ask me the same question. If Bitcoin went to zero tomorrow, could I survive? Yes. And it has taken me 9 years of getting to know myself to have that sort of clarity. Whatever is lost in this world can be regained.